Hey guys, Dr. Vic here, and I want to talk to you about our upcoming CBD Oil Workshop. Yes, we're going to dive into what CBD oil is all about. You may have heard of it. It's gaining popularity, and we want to share with you the science behind the CBD, but more importantly, what products should you utilize? Because when something gets popular, all of a sudden marketing companies and manufacturing companies start to jump on that bandwagon for profits. And not all are going to hold to the highest standard when it comes to making products. So we utilize a company that is that, and we'll share that information with you at that evening at the CBD workshop. But more importantly, it's more to understand the lifestyle of it and how does CBD oil truly help you with your health, with pain, inflammation, neural health, heart protective benefits, and so much more. You're going to understand why it's a critical thing to use. Because in today's society, what I see as a chiropractor and being in the health world for over 18 years and being a chiropractor for the last 8 to 9 is that a lot of people do things because they hear good things about it, but they don't understand why. So they just go and do it. And they do it without understanding the science and the reasoning behind that. And so in our workshop, we're going to share with you why. I'm going to share with you why I take it on a daily basis. So I make sure that my nervous system and so many other things, and you're going to understand the reasons behind that. I promise you I share it in a very simplistic way, so it's not too heavy on the science, but it's just enough to where you have a grasp of it and know how to move forward when you take this product. So again, we're going to have that workshop. Information's below. Go ahead and click on the link. Register. Make sure you register for that. We do have a limited amount of space for this workshop, and so we want to make sure that we hold everybody who can fit in there and really make it's going to be an awesome event. So I highly recommend register ASAP. Okay, because it's the first come, first serve basis. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. And again, as always, this is until next time. Be well, live well. The choice is yours.